Hello and welcome everyone. I'm thrilled to kick off our journey into mindfulness and self-discovery with ZEN31, my exclusive mind-body mastery challenge, which begins tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow, January 1st. And we're diving into a transformative experience designed to elevate your well-being. So throughout January, join me every day as I release a brand new either yoga, meditation, or breathwork video carefully crafted to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. And whether you're new to these practices or a seasoned enthusiast, there's something unique and empowering for everyone. And this challenge isn't just about physical movement or relaxation. It's about finding your inner balance, cultivating resilience, and embracing a lifestyle that promotes harmony and vitality. So mark your calendars if you haven't already, set your intentions, and get ready to embark on this incredible journey towards holistic wellness with ZEN31. Together, let's unlock our potential and embrace the power of mindfulness in our lives. All you need for this journey is a quiet space, a yoga mat, and a willingness to commit to a month of healing and transformation. Thanks for joining me on this empowering adventure, and get ready to discover your inner Zen. See you soon.